In today's video, I'll be showing you how to update your Google TV streamer so that you're running the latest Google TV version on your streamer. And to do this, first of all, make sure you have internet connection. And then in the top level menu, scroll to the top right and highlight the settings wheel icon. And then press the OK button on your remote. That takes you to settings page. On the settings page, scroll down and select System. Under System, go and select About, and under About, you should say System Update. Select that, and your Google TV will check for available updates. Okay, now as you can see, currently I have an update that's been discovered. All I have to do now is press the OK button to download that particular update. Now during this process, your Google TV will restart. So after it's finished downloading, verifying and installing the update, it's gonna restart at some point. So let's just wait for this to happen. So it's already downloaded. Let's go ahead and install by clicking on this button again. And as you can see, the system update is currently installing. Now this one, you can even read there, it says this one will fix some bugs and have some performance improvements. So we're currently at step 2 out of 2, so let's just be patient. So with the update complete, everything should be back to normal. And that is basically how to update your Google TV streamer. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.